We should always remember that Azadari Hussain is about honoring Imam Hussein's martyrdom and dedicating ourselves to his cause. However, we need to be careful that the way we express Azadari Hussain respects the local culture and is understandable to the young generation and the local community. If the form of Azadari Hussain seems unfamiliar or confusing to them, its true meaning could gradually be lost or be misunderstood. The way you present Azadari Hussain should be accepted and meaningful to the people we want to reach. Throughout history, the form of Azadari Hussain has changed to fit local customs. It's our responsibility to review and reconsider the way we practice Azadari Hussain so that we can pass on its true essence to our children and use it as a powerful tool to spread the message of Islam and Imam Hussain. We have a duty to Allah and His Prophet to ensure that our children understand Azadari Hussain, not just as a ritual or a way to seek forgiveness, but as a sincere commitment to the core values of Islam. To truly understand the message of Imam Hussain and what he achieved, we need to remember the Quranic principle of Tawheed, which requires us to devote ourselves solely to Allah. I understand that not everyone can make an immediate and complete commitment like this, but imagine if on the day of Ashura, after performing our rituals or when reciting the ziyarah, each of us promises in the name of Imam Hussain ibn Ali to give up one activity that goes against Islamic teachings. What a strong community we would become, and what a wonderful legacy we would leave for our children. In my opinion, this would be the ultimate form of Azadari Hussain.